Hi, my name is Tommy, and like you, I also am tired of hearing about the same products over and over again. So I took it upon myself to find the craziest, most amazing products you might ever see. Welcome to my channel. Let's begin. Here's Tommy. Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to another episode of Unboxing Everything. On this episode, we're gonna be unboxing another Kickstarter product. Of course, this one is a little bit different and with a different end or ending. So let's open it up, see what it is. This one I got it because I was a little curious, even though I already knew the answer. But knowing and feeling is not always the same. So I ended up getting it. What is it? Eau de Luna and Eau de Space. Perfumes, basically. Oh, it's basically when the astronauts were aboard the International Space Station, they noticed that after returning from a spacewalk, once they took off their mobility units, they smelled something strange. They smelled like a sweet smelling of burning metal, or it had a strange smell. So this is what it is. What, based on the astronauts, space smells like. And based on the Apollo 11 mission, what the moon smells like. This product, I'm not gonna pass it by. I want to smell it. So let's open it up. Okay, here it goes. This is official. It even has a number on it. Mine is number 495, and for the Eau de Luna is 21,145. Really high. Okay. Eau de Space. Oh, careful! I want to break it. Nice bottle. Okay. And let's see what it smells like. It's actually really strange. It smells like metal, but it also has a little bit of ozone on it. A little burnt metal. It's strange. It's not unpleasant. It's just strange. It's actually nice to know what something smells like. Smell is something that we give for certain. It's something we sometimes don't think about Smell is something we sometimes don't think about, but it's really important. Once you go to a different place, the first thing that hits you is the smell. This one, let's see how it smells. If it is what the guys at Apollo 11 said it was. Nice bottle, nice design. Let's see what it smells like. Whoa. Definitely. Smells like gunpowder. Smells full on gunpowder. How they managed to get it into a bottle and scent it, I don't know, but they managed to do it. Perfect gunpowder. Eau de Luna. And the Eau de Space. I don't remember if I showed you the bottle. Here it is. Eau de Space. Fragrance number 1 and fragrance number 2. Okay, now that I smelled it, and I didn't doubt it, now that I smelled it, what am I gonna do with this? I thought about giving it away as maybe like a sweepstake or something, but this is something special. This is something really special, and this shouldn't be on only one person's nostrils. So I thought about it. I'm gonna contact my elementary school science teacher, and I'm gonna give this to her so she can teach her students what space and the moon smells like. She's an avid space geek. She loves everything. She wants us to see planets and stars on high-tech telescopes. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give it out to my elementary school and to my science teacher, so new students can actually feel, can actually scent what the space and the moon smells like. So that's it. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you haven't yet, consider subscribing to my channel, and also hit the notification bell to get notified of my next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.